You search for how to buy shares of M&G plc, so here's a clear walkthrough. M&G plc is a UK-based asset manager listed on LSE plc under the ticker MNG.L. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to be able to place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MNG.L to find the company listing. Make sure you select the result that shows M&G plc on the London Stock Exchange. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart to review recent performance. Confirm the company name, market LSE plc, and ticker MNG.L to ensure it's the correct listing. To place a buy order, choose the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the eToro link and more details, see the description below.